Hello, it's AliMECH. Just wanted to do a quick test and review for Meguiars Ultimate All-Wheel Cleaner. I have used wheel cleaner before, but this one got my attention. Fast reacting, dissolving heavy brake dust. The spray bottle comes in 24 ounces. It changed color from white foam to purple. And it's a pH balance, acid free, so it won't fade alloy wheels. 2 to 4 minutes recommended to dissolve heavy brake dust, and do not let it dry on the surface. It took few seconds to change color. I thought it will after 2 minutes, so it's really fast. I'm just gonna leave it for 2 minutes and then pressure wash it. Even though you can leave it up to 4 minutes, just don't let it dry on the surface. So if you are living in a hot weather, never leave it for 4 minutes. Hope the video gave you some information how the product works. The video is not sponsored, but I personally recommend the product. So that's for this video. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video.